Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to unhide apps on Android. If you have previously hidden your favorite applications for privacy or decluttering, this guide will help you bring them back to your app drawer. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to swipe down from the top right of your screen and tap on the gear icon, or you can simply long press on your home screen and click the menu gear icon. This step is necessary to enter your device settings or launcher preferences where all the core customization options are stored. Step 2 involves scrolling down to tap on the home screen option or selecting Hide Apps to then click on your hidden apps list. This specific area is where your phone keeps a record of every application that has been tucked away from the main interface for safekeeping. Step 3 is to tap the minus symbol on the app you want to unhide or use a long press to select the specific icons you wish to restore. By doing this, you are telling the system to remove these applications from the restricted list and make them visible to the user again. Step 4 is to tap done or select the export option to finalize the changes and refresh your app layout. This final confirmation ensures that your settings are saved, allowing the previously hidden apps to reappear in your app drawer or on your home screen instantly. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.